Today we're making this beautiful spring green salad. To get started on making this beautiful spring salad, this is a completely green spring salad. So we're going to use romaine here, and I'm going to use this beautiful wood platter for serving. So for plating it, I just like for you to see all of the ingredients out. So we're going to just take the romaine. I'm going to leave it whole just because it looks really pretty. Depends on what you're making it for. If you're going to make this for lots of people, you might want to chop it up. But for me right now, I'm going to make this just like lay it all out. And then we're going to take some frozen peas. So frozen peas, I've just cooked them. I'm going to add them on top. Next, we have snow peas and asparagus. So I blanched these and let them cool and then pat them dry. So we're gonna lay our asparagus and our snow peas out. Wasn't kidding. Completely green, beautiful spring salad. Next, we're gonna put some fresh mint. That one underneath. I'm just going to take the mint stems, just roughly chop them. Sprinkle that on top. And next we're going to add crumbled goat cheese. Now for our refreshing light dressing, I'm going to use a jar. For this, it's about 6 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm eyeballing it here because I do about 3 parts of olive oil, 1 part lemon when I make this dressing. And I'm going to add some lemon zest to it. So I'm going to do that before I do the lemon juice. I added it right into our dressing, but I'm also just going to add a little bit on the salad just because it's nice and refreshing. Now that I've done that, I'm going to cut our lemon. We're going to squeeze the lemon into our jar. I always say, make this ahead of time. That way, in the jar, it's easy because you can shake it up right before you're ready to serve. Perfect. Salt and pepper. Close the jar. Shake that up. My favorite dressing. And look at that. Look at this gorgeous salad. Pour that right on top. And this is ready to be served. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store where you could see different links on how you can purchase some of the items I use on my show.